for Saga. Now we shall take a 2-minute break. And we're back. So today I'm going over my plans for the entire series. So let us begin this series, or this video. So first, let us go over plans and everything. The plans will start now with the characters: Aiden, Master of Fire; Janias, Master of Energy; Arya, Master of Magic; Sapphire, Master of Lightning; Anthony, Master of Earth; Noah, Master... Did I already say that? Anthony, Master of Ice; Noah, Master of Earth; Chris, Master of Amber; Mason, Master of Speed; Enrique, Master of Fusion; Jesse, Master of Mind; Noelia, Master of Time; Maya, Master of Poison; Charlie, Master of Shadow; Bastion, Master of Smoke; Logan, Master of Gravity; Joshua, Master of Reflex, able to dodge attacks and use speeds to attack; Liana, Master of Water; Luca, Master of Tech; Nate, Master of Figment, able to create clones of yourself and whatever you're holding; Ariel, Master of Wind; Connor, Master of Force, able to create force fields, use telekinesis and telepathy; Damien, Master of Illusion; Victoria, Master of Crystal; Jacob, Master of Shockwave; Nicholas, Master of Nature; Sophia, Master of Light; Giacomo and Adam, Elements Unknown; Destiny, Master of Space; Ephra, Master of Sound; Sam, Element Unknown; Ryan, Master of Form; Kathleen, Element Unknown; and Arisha, Element Unknown. Next, we got the titles. Arc 1, The First Steps; Return of Evil, Siege of Phrygia; Trapped in the Techverse, Dark Fates, The Frozen Empire; Echoes of the Past, The Sunken City, The Cosmic Threat, and The Last Stand. Then we got Arc 2, which starts with The Return, then Chaos Unleashed, The Spectral Invasion, Wrath of the Oni, Genesis Part 1 and 2, The Evil Dynasty Part 1 and 2, Wrath of Arcane, and Book 20 has an unknown title so far. Next, we got War of Realms Part 1 and 2, Multiversal Part 1 and 2, Doomsday Part 1 and 2, War of Nemesis, Secret Invasion Part 1 and 2, and one unknown title for Arc 3. Arc 4 and 5 have unknown titles. I have not decided them yet. But now let's go over different characters for each series. Master Fang from Arc 1, who was originally the master of the heroes and taught them how to use their powers, dies in The Last Stand while fighting Ultimate Evil. Ending up, there are many character deaths throughout the series. Some main character deaths include Bastion, Logan, and Ryder. Bastion, who dies in Echoes of the Past, but comes back later on. Logan, who dies in The Cosmic Threat, does not come back later on. And Ryder, who dies in the events of Dark Fates and doesn't come back afterwards. Other characters die, but come back later on, like Gnaw, the Fire Elf, who dies in the events of Siege of Phrygia, but comes back later on in Echoes of the Past because of the Revival Stone. And Neo, who originally was related to Gnaw, but was killed off early on in the series. Killed off in the Battle of the Fire Temple and in the First Steps. Now, the villains of Book 1 are Krim the Dark Elf, Merrick the Dark Elf Mage, Hop the Hoppy, Titan the Warrior, and Ravenge the Warrior. Many characters come and go throughout the series. So many have died and yet continue to fight on. Other characters like Master Valoruf the Wise Dragon, and others appear. And there are references to a lot of characters throughout the series. Many characters have appeared, and some have disappeared for it. Many characters we see a few times and don't appear again are a few characters who we don't know what happened to them after the events of the battle. After the battle, we do not, in the first book, we have no idea what happened to Ignis, one of the Fire Elven warriors, and same as one of the Dragonborns, Flame. Those two went missing after the battle and weren't seen up until the point of Spectral Invasion, which is book 13 in the series. Throughout the entire series, characters appear and reappear, but ones that stayed for the entire series are most of the main characters. This is just video 1 of all of them going over these books. The next video will be coming out soon.